Hey guys, this is Dr.Chinkle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will tell you why to replace missing teeth, what are the consequences of not replacing missing teeth, or what are the options for replacing missing teeth. So guys, let's get started. But before starting this video, I will tell you if you want to know about any dental related problems or treatment procedures. So please do comment or I will tell you about that topic in my next video guys. Guys, what you see first in this image, obviously the missing teeth, not the missing eyebrows, right guys? So the first and the most important thing, the people will notice your smile, right? How unattractive you look with a missing teeth. This is the main reason why you should replace your missing teeth. And the second one, as you all know, our oral health is directly linked to our gut health. Improper chewing leads to various digestive issues like gastritis. So for your healthy gut, you will to have healthy oral health. And the most important, misalignment of the teeth, as there is a tendency of remaining healthy teeth to drift into the space, and this will cause a space between the teeth, as the teeth in the opposing jaw will drift upward, downward, left, right. As the drifting takes place, it will definitely leads to malocclusion, as you can see in this image. Avoid all these problems, replace your missing teeth as soon as possible. So what's next? What are the options for replacing missing teeth? There are two options for replacing missing teeth. First one is removable and other is fixed. You can choose any one of them according to your comfort zone. So what's removable? As the name suggests, removable. You will remove it easily. In this, you have to remove your processes at the night time and put it in a bowl of water to avoid the distortion of a material, as this is made up of acrylic material, as you can see in this image, and it has a huge impact of a temperature. Second one is fixed processes, dental implants and dental bridge. So what's bridge? It's not a bridge on the river, it's dental bridge. So what is dental bridge? It is a fixed process that is rooted or cemented or attached to the natural tooth, or you can say it is a fixed process that used for restoring the space of the missing tooth using the two adjacent tooth, as you can see in this image. For example, if you have two missing teeth, then you will have to need 4-unit bridge, as the two adjacent tooth acts like a post to hold the missing tooth. What's dental implant? It is a substance that is placed into the jaw to hold the crown, as you can see in this image. Guys, if you have any other dental related problems or any other dental related queries, please do comment me below and I will make a video on that topic. Thank you.